Okay, good day guys. So today I will be teaching you on how to design a logo with Canva. So first, let's go over to our browser and search for flat icon, flat icon, search. So I want to make a design with probably a logo for cook. Okay, I want to make a design for probably a logo for cook. So I tap on the flat icon. So remember, we want to make a design using Canva. Okay, so that is it. Then I search for cook. Cook. Okay, search. All right. Okay, so there are so many stickers, icons here. So probably I select the logo I want, the icon I want for the logo. Probably this one. Click on it, save it here, download. Okay, click on this one, save it here, download. Just a simple logo, it doesn't need to be complex. Okay, so we are done with that. Simply, okay, we quickly go over to remove.bg, remove.bg, so as to remove the background of those photos we just downloaded. Okay, so wait patiently, it's coming up. All right, so we upload image over here, go to download, go to our recent, okay, so these are the images. You remove the background. Okay, so we've removed the background already. Okay, we download the image, click on download. So it has downloaded. All right, so we quickly move over to our Canva. Okay, so let's wait patiently, it's open. So we move over to the plus sign here so that we search for logo. Remember, we want to make just a simple logo. Okay, we already have logo here. Instead of searching, we can just click on the logo option. So just wait patiently, it's coming up already. Okay, just be patient, it's coming, it's already up. So just remember, it's just a simple logo that we want to make. Okay, wonderful. So now we go to our gallery. Here's our gallery. We go over to our gallery so that we get the image we just downloaded. Okay, so here is the image. So here is the image. We add it up to the page. Okay, we add it up to the page. Now we make it a little bit big. Wonderful. Okay, so now let's reduce it a little. Okay, so we add up a text to it. Let's add up a text to it. A text. That is it here. Add a heading. Probably let's name it Queen's Cook. Queen's Cook. Queen's Cook. Now we can change the color. Let's put something like Queen's Cook pink, orange, green. Orange looks, okay, let's leave it at orange. Orange looks better. Orange color. Okay, now let's find something like an element and put at it, put there. Let's find something like an element and put there. Go to circle. Okay, let's put these elements there. Okay, we'll make it something like black. Reduce the elements small. Okay, let's reduce the elements. Centralize it. Okay, let's centralize. Wonderful, it's looking nice. Okay, since we're having the write up of orange, I think we should make it orange too, so that it looks more better and nicer. Wow, that's beautiful. Okay, so now what happens now is we click on each of them to lock all the icons so that it doesn't shift. To avoid it from shifting, we lock it. Here is the lock sign. We tap on the lock sign. We click on this too. We tap on the lock sign to avoid shifting. Okay, wonderful. We click on the cook too, the Queen's Cook too, and then we tap on the lock sign to avoid it shifting. Here we go. Here it's a simple logo for Canva. Queen's Cook. Okay, we could actually add a number for it, but that's for like a complex logo for Canva. But this is just a simple logo. Remember, we say we want to make a simple logo for Canva. All right, so I can decide to change the color of the background. Maybe I put something like, let me okay, this is okay. Wow, this is amazing. This is beautiful. Okay, let's leave it at this. Let's leave it at this. Queen's Cook. Amazing. Okay, that's just a very simple design for Queen's Cook. So thanks very much, guys. Thanks for watching this video. So we'll be teaching more of this in the advanced class. I haven't seen a graphic designer that charges so low to teach all of this about graphic designing. Okay, so what I will advise you is to go for the advanced class. Okay, so what you have to do is click on my bio on the description button on the below. Okay, that's on the YouTube channel. That will take you to my bio. All right, so the advanced class, you'll be taught a lot of things about graphic designs, including how to get clients and get paid. So if you are getting value from this video, don't forget to click on the subscribe button and notification button too. Okay, all right, and also comment on the comment section box. I'll reply shortly. Okay, thanks very much, guys. I so much appreciate.